In this video, you will add data validation to your categories column. In computer science, data validation is a process that ensures that a program uses clean, correct, and useful data. Computer programs use validation constraints, or check routines, to check code for accuracy. Accuracy is also essential for spreadsheets. What happens, for example, if you misspell restaurant as you're labeling your data entries? That value would not be added to your total. One little mistake could throw off several of your calculations. Use data validation to create an automated drop-down list right in your spreadsheet. A drop-down list can save time and ensure accuracy. Once you labeled each item in your monthly budget, select the cell range where you classified each entry. Select Data and Validation. Save and return to the spreadsheet. A small arrow appears in the corner of each cell. Click the arrow, a drop-down list appears. Great! As you add more entries, you can select the category from the list rather than typing it every time. By selecting from the list, you avoid spelling errors that could interfere with your calculations. You also save a lot of time by not having to type in the category for every entry. Now it's your turn. Create a data validation list to ensure accuracy and save time categorizing your data. Then, move on to the next video to add visuals to your spreadsheet.